This is it. Her chambers. We're not too late.
Time the Red Queen was knocked off her perch.
Atziri, should you proceed, this means the doom of the Val.
To doubt your queen, to defy her. I never expected it of you, my most loyal pet.
I beg of you, hear me. The beast cannot give you what you desire.
You may have studied it, Doriani, but you do not know it like I do. It adores me. Come now, give unto me your desire. At last, fulfill my soul.
I will hold back her legions. Whatever it takes, do not let her leave.
Death demands you! Enough of this! They don't understand our connection. They could never understand.